We're now going to look at our setup and posture, and there are several things we can do to help simplify the putting stroke and achieve the kind of impact we need to putt successfully. First would be stance width. The narrower the stance, the more likelihood of being unstable, and also we may encourage lower body action that's unnecessary in the putting stroke. The wider the stance, the more stability we will have, and the more we're likely to minimize any lower body movement. And that means we can isolate the majority of the movement that's going to control the putting stroke up in the shoulders. Next is ball position. The putter head is going to move up away from the ground, down towards it, and then back up away from the ground as it moves into the follow-through. This means that the further back we have the ball position, the more likely we're going to hit down. As we move the ball position towards the centre of the stance, we give the putter time to level off, but if we then move the ball position further forward of centre, we actually give the putter head enough time to reach its lowest point and then start to move up. And this is one of the key aspects of getting a good forward roll. So we'd like to have the ball positioned slightly forward of centre, just enough for the putter head to be rising by a few degrees. The third thing to see would be the angle of the spine that's between the shoulder blades as we set up to the ball. The steeper we stand, the more horizontal the shoulder turn, and the more of an arced shape we're going to have to our putting stroke. On the other hand, if we can get the spine angle between the shoulders to be more horizontal, the shoulders can naturally rock on a more vertical arc, in which case the putter head is going to move closer to straight back and through. Now, this isn't necessarily saying that we have to try and swing the putter head on a perfectly straight arc back and through, but the more curve you have to the putter, the more the face is going to open and close, the further off the target line the putter head is going to move, and the harder it will be to return it to square and to straight. However, the closer the putter arc is to a straight line, the less the club head is moving off the target line and the less the face is going to open and close. And this means it's going to be easier to return the path to straight and the face to square. So going through these points again, we have a reasonably wide stance, we have the ball position a little bit forward of centre, and we're trying to get the back of the shoulders as horizontal as we can. From here, we have the best chance possible of making a very simple stroke.